In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Go2bank password. Resetting your password is a simple process, but it's important to ensure that you follow the steps correctly to maintain the security of your account. Let's dive in and guide you through the straightforward process. First things first, to get started with resetting your password, you'll need to either open the Go2bank app on your mobile device or head over to the Go2bank login page on your computer. This sets the stage for accessing the password reset function. Once you're at the login screen, take a look at the prompts on the page until you spot the option labeled Trouble Logging In. Go ahead and tap or click on that. This is where Go2bank offers assistance for those pesky times when logging in proves to be a bit of a challenge. After selecting Trouble Logging In, you'll be presented with a couple of options for different scenarios. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Reset Your Password. This will guide you to the necessary steps to regain access to your account. Next, it's time to enter the email address that you associated with your Go2bank account. This should be the same email you used when signing up for the account initially. Providing this information allows Go2bank to verify your identity and proceed with the password reset process. Once you've entered your email address, look for the submission button and click it to send your request. After you submit your request, an email containing a password reset link will arrive from Go2bank in your inbox. Now let's switch gears and navigate to your email inbox. Locate the email from Go2bank. It should usually appear within a few minutes. Open this message and look for the reset link provided. Clicking this link will transport you to a special secure reset page. On the reset page, you'll have the opportunity to set a brand new password. Make sure it's both secure and one that you can remember. As a good practice, it should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. Once you've thought of a suitable new password, enter it and confirm it when prompted. With your new password successfully set, you can head back to the app or the login page and sign in using your email and new password. The process is now complete, and you've successfully reset your Go2bank password. Remember, keeping track of your password securely can save you from future hassles. Consider using a password manager for storing your passwords safely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you reset your Go2bank password with ease.